China's producer price deflation eased and consumer prices rose 0.2% in October, marking a return to inflation after 2 months of decline. Official data showed on Sunday that the PPI fell 2.1% year-on-year, while core inflation climbed to a 20-month high of 1.2%. Analysts say that the figures reflect improving supply-demand balance, but warn that deflation risks persist. Beijing's efforts to cut overcapacity and stabilize industries appear to be working. Yet, economists say that more policy support may be needed to sustain growth near the 5% target. Official data has revealed that India's unemployment rate declined to 5.2% in the July-September quarter, down from 5.4% in the previous 3 months. The decrease was driven by increased rural employment during the farming season and improved female workforce participation. Rural unemployment fell to 4.4% from 4.8%, while urban unemployment edged up to 6.9%. The overall labor force participation rate improved to 55.1%, with female participation rising to 33.7%. The worker population ratio also increased to 52.2%, supported by growth in self-employment in rural areas and modest gains in urban salaried employment. Japanese Prime Minister Sanae Takaichi announced plans to replace the country's annual fiscal consolidation target with a multi-year framework, a move signaling a shift towards more flexible spending to stimulate economic growth. The new fiscal goal, which will be developed by her cabinet starting in January, would extend over several years and replace the current primary budget surplus target. This could ease pressure from Japan's massive public debt. Takaichi also reiterated her call for the Bank of Japan to maintain low interest rates, emphasizing the need for appropriate monetary policy to achieve sustainable inflation. South Korea's exports reached a record $185 billion in the third quarter, rising 6.5% year-on-year, driven by strong semiconductor shipments amid an AI sector boom. The Ministry of Data and Statistics reported that semiconductor-led capital goods jumped 11.2%, while auto exports to Europe helped consumer goods end a 4-quarter decline. Both large and medium-sized companies achieved record exports, highlighting the chip sector's key role in driving growth despite ongoing trade uncertainties.